This is an unboxing video for manufacturer number MVF-515MODR. This is by Crimson Trace. It's an MVF vertical foregrip replacement. It's red. I'm going to open the box here for you to take a look inside. Here you have the tools and the cleaning supplies for it. Here comes a little bit of the information on how to use it and how to install it. This little thing here would be for your warranty registration. And here would be the product. As you can see, it's pretty decent sized. Giving you a little bit of a 360 of it. And again, this is an MVF vertical foregrip replacement, red.